Welcome back to Shay's Kitchen, everyone. Today it is simple, it's quick. We had taco salad last night, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and make an omelet with what we had the rest of it. We had tomatoes, red, green bell peppers, onions, jalapenos. I have about a cup of Parmesan cheese, about half a cup of spinach, and about a half a cup of some applewood smoked turkey. We have three large eggs with about 1/4 a cup of almond milk in there. So let's go ahead and get everything put together. Okay, guys, so I have this on medium. I'm going to take my egg, dump it straight in. So that I can hit the bottom good. A little salt, some pepper, and some accent. Okay. So we want this part to start forming, and then when it does, we can go to the next step. Because I don't have this, which nobody really should be cooking eggs on medium high, especially if you're doing an omelet, or else you could mess your skillet up. You don't want to do this anything over medium, honestly. When you're trying to make an omelet, I would do it on medium low and medium, depending on your stove. You know your stove and how it's going to cook. So, you know how when you get the little crust on the sides where you can move it down, that's what you're looking for. So, I'm going to let this cook for about 3 minutes, and we are going to be looking for the crust on the side to loosen up. Okay, guys, this little crust right here that we have, loosen that up a little bit. Take the rest of your eggs, let them go to the side so they can finish cooking. Anything that needs to loosen up on the sides. Pop them. Okay. Now that we have everything that needs to be starting to cook on the sides, we are good. So I am going to, right here on top, take my ingredients. Mix a little bit of everything. You can put as much or as less as you would like to put on there. Okay. Let it go for a few minutes. That way we can get the eggs cooked on the side. They need to be cooked. And when you're cooking it at this temperature, it gives it the opportunity to cook everything, but also not overcook your bottom. Those edges is what you want to make sure they get fully cooked. Do not let your omelet feel like it is too much and you can't do it. You can do this. You can do it, guys. I have faith in you. Okay. Looks like our edges are getting there. Okay. This right here is why you do not want to have it on any type of thing other than medium. Let the other side cook. I probably put a little bit too much ingredients on mine, but that's fine. I like mine to be very fulfilling. Salt. Some pepper. And a little accent. There it goes. It usually looks a little bit more prettier than this. But I guess that's how my pot was feeling today. Okay, guys. We can turn this off and go ahead and plate it. Okay, this is Shay's omelet, guys. See all of our goodness inside. I don't know if you guys can see that steam, but it is hot. Hot. All of that goodness. You guys see it. Mm, mm. So it's fire. Look at all that goodness, y'all. The tomatoes, jalapenos, the bell peppers, the applewood smoked turkey, the cheese, the spinach, all of this goodness right here at your fingertips. Yes, y'all. It's fire. Mm, mm, mm. Until next video, stay cool with Shay's Kitchen. Bye, family.